Hey everybody, my name's Alan with Yankum Ropes, and I want to show you how we take the highest grade fiber and turn it into the best American-made Yankum rope on the market. As I said, it starts with taking nylon fiber. We take it into this machine and we put a very specific amount of twist to make the yarn that goes into each one of these ropes. Once we have that yarn, then we can start the process of making a match recovery rope. We take the yarn, we put it on the braider bobbins, and those braider bobbins then go in our braiding machines. Now these braiding machines are calibrated to a very specific amount of twist and revolution to then be able to make a rope inside of a rope. This is the first rope. This is our core braiding machine. Now the core braiding machine takes 24 strands, weaves them together to make a very strong standalone rope. But this is only half of the rope. This rope is going to be fed into our jacket braiding machine. Now the jacket braiding machine, what it's doing is it's braiding a rope on top of the core. Now in our ropes, in the Yankum rope, half of the load is carried in the core and half the load is carried in the jacket. That's what makes a Yankum rope so strong. Now after we get the rope, we have to turn them into slings. We take the long sections and we cut them into shorter lengths, both 20-footers and 30-footers, and then we tie the eyes into each end. We also make our own soft shackles. Now the soft shackles are the best application to use a Yankum rope when attaching it to other vehicles that are stuck. Each one of these packages is very carefully inspected through several stages of quality control. The first one is, as we said, when we are making the slings. The second one is when we start to dip the rope. Now the dipping process starts with the eyes. What we do is we put a 2-part epoxy over each one of the eyes. What that does is it makes it so it's a lot more durable and can handle any of the different applications that you might find yourself in. Then we dip every rope in a containment coating. What this does is it glues all of those fine little fibers together so it won't fray when you're out in the wild. Every one of our Yankum ropes is handmade. Every part of the process is very carefully inspected to make sure that you get the best quality and the best strength you can. So now the final step is the last part of our quality control. After everything's dry, we go through, inspect every rope, and then we tag it and send it out to the customer. Thanks for joining us and seeing how we make the best American-made rope on the market.